bat. You want to cross your arms, lay them on your shoulders. Tuck in your fingers. It's going to be with your index finger and flick. Bat. Bat. Just kind of flick. Bat. There could be some regional differences in different states on how to sign different words for animals. Some sign bat, I've seen like this, and some flick like this. Is my favorite way to sign bat. Bat. The next sign is bear. You're going to cross your arms, take claws, 5-hand claws, cross, and like you're scratching. The fur of a bear is really scratchy or furry. That's what I think of. Fur. So this is bear. Bear. The next one we want to do is bird. Remember the sign for 20? Beep, beep. And we're going to put it on their mouth. Bird. It's like his little beak. Bird. Bird. The next one is a cow. We're going to take the horns, the letter Y, on the top of your forehead and twist. Cow. Cow. So the next sign is camel. You want to go from start to finish, and you show his humps. A camel. Show the shape of the camel's humps. You can also do C. Camel. Camel. But this is more accepted. Camel. What's this sign? Can you guess? It's cat. You can do 2 whiskers, like you're pulling his whiskers, or 1. Cat. Cat. And next word, chicken. You know how chickens peck for their food? Chicken. Peck, 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 peck. Chicken. Crab. You can go like this. Like there's snappy little claws. Crab. Or crab like this. You can cross over and crab. So the next one is crocodile or alligator. For me, I show a difference between the crocodile, flat hands together, up and down, like the mouth, or crocodile, bent fingers, like this. And you can extend your arms if you want and have it straight out, but I'm cramped into my screen here, so crocodile, or alligator. And I also go like this. There's a variant, but for me, crocodile and alligator. Deer. Deer. Take your 5 fingers on each hand, tap them to your head, and go out. Deer, like their antlers. Deer. Dog. D-O-G. Can you take your thumb and your middle finger, leave your index finger extended, and rub your middle finger on your thumb, but now point it this way. Dog. Dog. You can also tap your lap. Pretend you can hear my lap. Snap. Tap your lap and snap. Dog. Dog. Or dog, like you're calling it. Come here, Skippy. Dog. So dolphin with a D, going in water. Dolphin. I've also seen dolphin with the letter R and a little, kind of like his fin. It's like the shape. So you want to say R with fin going in the water. Dolphin in and out of the water. We can also do a variant of that sign, which is a different animal, but I want to show you because it's similar. Take a Y in your hand. Well. Well. Like the tail of the well going in and out of the water. Well. This sign also means stubborn. Go like this one time. Stubborn. Stubborn. Or donkey. Sign to that is horse. You take your H hand shape with the thumb on your forehead. Horse. Horse. Another sign, duck. Duck. You take the word no, like you sign the word no, with your two fingers and your thumb and put it beside your mouth. Duck. Remember bird? That's one finger and your thumb with a little beak. Duck. Bird, sorry. And then duck is three fingers. Duck. Duck. Elephant. 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 I've also seen it goes down and up. Down and up. Elephant. Elephant. Fish. So it goes through the water. Fish. The sign for flamingo. You ready? Pink bird. Pink bird. Now, we're going to take it up and to the next step. We're going to show how the flamingo stands. Not just a pink bird, but and give you that visual. The next word is fox. Take the letter F, hold it up to your nose and twist. Fox. Fox. Our next word is wolf. Wolf. Like the snout of the wolf comes out and pulling it out. Wolf. 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 Frog. Frog. Like his legs are jumping. You know how a frog jumps? Frog. Taking two fingers, the V shape, under your chin and flick. Frog. Frog. The next sign is giraffe. Take your C-shaped hand and go up. Giraffe. Giraffe. You can also do a G, but it's kind of a thicker G instead of, this is your regular G. Instead of going like this, make it a little bit thicker. Giraffe. 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 I'm going to show that the giraffe has a long neck. The next sign is goat. Let's practice it with the three fingers. And you're going to be flicking like this. Remember frog? Well, this one is goat, and we're going to turn it to the side. On our chin, flick. Take the three fingers. On the side, flick. On the chin and your head. Goat. Goat. So the next sign is monkey. You take your claws like this, go up under your arms, like right at the side, and kind of like scratch. Monkey, monkey.